Okay, so today I'm here with Finn again.
Hello.
We're going to be finally conquering the full bottom half of Rampage. It's going to be pretty sick. Shout out to Ryan Dillon, kind of copying him here, but check out his video. He did some of the other ones up there as well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Yeeew.
I'm just gonna see how fast you're going.
I guess. Alright, let's go. Easy peasy. So that is the 33 foot, I think 10.3 meters. So yeah, that's it. That's just the first one. Finn hasn't done this before, so I'm sort of teaching him at the same time. I think he's gonna do it now. So much bigger when you're hitting it.
Be a little drag down there.
Dropping! Ready? What? Hunt me? I jumped.
So good.
Yeah, good?
Yeah.
Glad you did it. I had to like jump a bit further because I had
to pull my front brake.
I didn't want you crashing into me when I pulled out, so I
had to pull my front brake.
Okay. I can get my breath back. But now, time to hit the 35 foot. Yeah, which is 10.5 meters. That's your 35 foot. Finn didn't hit it, he overshot the first one. But he's hopefully going to do it now. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
So yeah, pedal wheel turn it.
Yeah.
Dropping! I overshot it. Did you just jump over me?
Yeah, he jumped over you.
I overshot the first one. Well, that's what it felt like. I overshot the first one.
Yeah, he went over your head.
Holy, did you clear it nicely?
Oh, I got it, yeah. Oh, what happened? Whoa!
That was crazy. I thought I overshot the first one. So I rolled the second one, and then Finn, who hadn't obviously hit it before, just jumps over me. Still in shock. Driving! We need to hit that 40. Every time I hit it, I duck.
It's just that tree. It's just a stance like that. You're gonna hit that tree there.
Yeah. Okay. We're now thinking about lining up for the 40 footer. I'm pretty scared. I'm not gonna lie, but all my friends say it's like the easiest jump here because it's like a step down. They say do this one, 2 cranks, you did good. So that's good. Just gonna have a run into it then, yeah. You go, I'm just gonna give you a big gap. I'm not gonna hit it though, unless you just fall and sends it for no reason. you pedal, that's dialed. Oh, a guy hitting Rampage. That is a guy hitting it. I'll watch him.
Just watch him. He's obviously done it before, that's why he didn't pedal. But he's got more downforce as well because he's heavier. True. He didn't even pedal in between, he's just crazy. I might leave this one for another time. I'm gonna do it. Do it on you. It does not look 40 foot. Why?
You got so much food coming in.
No, it does not look 40 foot, is actually what I said. Look, it just doesn't look 40.
Look how small he is. It is big.
Yeah, right. That's a better one.
Sand it. Whew, scary. Let's go! Oh, I swear I had my tire pop, but whatever. Woo!
I fly went in my helmet, guys. I was hitting that jump right there and a fly just went.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, it's clean.
Feel good?
So easy. Even a fly went into my helmet as I was doing that jump. It went zoom and it was blocking my eyes.
I shot it though.
I don't know.
How many cranks do you get?
I don't really know.
I'll show you the vid.
I think so.
Yeah, there's your 40 footer. Done. Then I've done shark fin there and last.
Now you just link it all together.
Now I just gotta link it all together. Stupid plane, you're so loud. We got this. You doing it, Finn? You doing it now?
Probably.
Phew. Whoa. Whoa. I thought I popped my tire. That's okay. Dude, because I almost cased second, and then for some reason I stand 40. Whoa. Whoa. Woohoo! Let's go. You know, I didn't actually, well, Finn didn't do it. I didn't actually think I was gonna make last because I got air off the roller, but overshot it. Let's go, man. That is bottom half of Rampage, last half of Rampage complete. That's pretty good. Now Finn's gotta do it. So this one's like 28 foot. That one's like 24, I think. Sick. Bottom half complete.
Well, hit ski, it's the easiest one.
I just did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Sweet as. Who's that?
Finn.
What's up, Finn? It's me too, bro. Oh, It's my first time riding in 7 weeks. I'm so scared.
I don't want to fall off the top of that one again.
Yeah.
Let's go, Finn! You did all of it.
Son, should we fucking fly through moon beater? I didn't even pedal up the ramp, the last one. I didn't even pedal up it.
So clean.
Oh, that might have been my last run.
Something.
I'm done.